What's up, B2 crew? Still in Vegas, headed to the airplane right now. We are at Victor Golf Tango, which is North Las Vegas, and we are going to head to the plane. Check in with you when we get in there. Back to clean we go. Let go!
North Las Vegas ground, good morning. Boeing 9246 Victor, looking for the eastbound departure to 0 Echo 0. Over here, park.
That's on the ground. Say your call sign and type of aircraft.
Call sign is November 9246 Victor, and the type of aircraft is a Mooney M20 Charlie.
When we forward to Victor Roger, you said this name was 0 Echo Oscar or 0 Echo 0?
0 Echo 0, 46 Victor.
Roger, stand by. Number 446 Victor, you're going to fly to heading 340. Continental departure 135.1, squawk 7756.
On departure heading 340, frequency of 134.1 and 77.56 on the squawk, 46 Victor.
Number 446 Victor, another departure frequency is going to be 135.1.
135.1 for the departure frequency, 46 Victor.
Number 446 Victor, read back is correct. Say your position, are you running complete?
Run up is complete, position is currently at parking next to the red Sirius over here, and yeah, we're ready to taxi.
Number 446 Victor, runway 12 right, taxi via golf, hold short runway 7.
12 right, real golf, hold short, runway 7, 46 Victor. And let's go. It's loose.
And ground, Ops 1 is clear of the movement area. Thanks for your help.
Ops 1, Roger, have a good day.
Go. Come on. Easy. Beautiful day in North Las Vegas. Hey. Clear right, clear left. Beautiful mountain ranges surrounding us. On the Foxtrot here.
Ground on for 825 Uniform Sierra, clear 12 right at go.
I'm sorry, 825 Uniform Sierra, North Las Vegas ground, taxi to parking via Bravo Hotel.
Going via Bravo Hotel, 825 Uniform Sierra.
And we will horse for runway 7 here.
November 739 Kilo Yankee, run complete, information Victor.
Got 9 Kilo Yankee, runway 12 right at Alpha, taxi via Romeo Alpha.
Runway 12 right at Alpha, taxi via Romeo Alpha, 9 Kilo Yankee.
Number 46 Victor, cut that tower 125.7.
25.7, 46 Victor, thanks. North Las Vegas Tower, Mooney 9246 Victor, holding short, runway 7 at golf.
Mooney 9246 Victor, North Las Vegas Tower, cross runway 7 at golf, hold short of runway 18.
Cross, runway 7 at golf, hold short, runway 12 right, 46 Victor.
Northside Tower, helicopter November 443 Sierra Alpha on the west ramp. Just a heads up, we're going to be doing some hover work over here. We will not be leaving the west ramp.
Helicopter 443 Sierra Alpha, North Las Vegas Tower, roger.
Okay, let's get splash low, Scuzzle. Yep. Flaps to takeoff.
Mooney 46 Victor, I'll call your turn, runway 12 right, full link, clear for takeoff.
12 right, clear for takeoff, you'll call my turn, 46 Victor.
November 46 Victor, now delay please.
No delay. Alright, now get this loose. Let's go. Airspeed's alive. Instruments on the green. Going about 70. And we're off. Las Vegas Strip right there in front of us. Alright, we'll go up on the gear. Gear comes up. Alright, gears up and flaps all the way up. Alright, now to the 100. Let's do it. And she said she'll call my turn, so we're just going to keep flying this heading until we're ready to turn.
46 Victor, left turn, just heading 340 is approved.
Left turn for 340, 46 Victor.
North Las Vegas Tower, November 739er Kilo Yankee, holding short runway 12 right Alpha. 739 Kilo Yankee, North Las Vegas Tower, flex trail, clear turn runway 12 right at Alpha, clear for takeoff. Runway 12 right at Alpha, clear for takeoff, you'll call my turn at Kilo Yankee.
North Las Vegas Tower, RV917 reached Alpha, 8,000, approaching Red Rock Aviation Center with Victor.
RV17 Whiskey Alpha, North Las Vegas Tower, ident.
Ident, number 17 reached Alpha.
135.1 for departure. Let's set that up already.
46 Victor, contact now sports 135.1.
35.1 for 46 Victor, have a good day.
Kilo Yankee, traffic off.
And approach Mooney 9246 Victor, currently 3,700.
November 9246 Victor, Nellis departure, ident, verify 3,700.
Ident, and 3,700 confirmed.
Raptor 1, Nellis departure, copy all. Your final VFR altitude, Raptor 1. 46 Victor, radar contact 2 miles north of the North Las Vegas Airport. For now, clear through Bravo airspace, heading 360, and altitude your discretion for now. November 46 Victor, turn right heading 060, maintain 5,600.
060 right turn and 5,600 for 46 Victor.
Check 404, you'll stay on this heading another 2 to 3 miles. 46 Victor, turn right heading 090.
Right turn to 090, 46 Victor.
Track 404, career track 404, resume on navigation. VFR descent approved no lower than 3,500.
Lots of mountains coming up. Vegas is to our right. I don't have to inch the 360 on the bottom today. Otherwise, I'd pan it over there, but it's all beautiful scenery. And apologies for my really shitty headset. I'm going to have to send that back into Bose. I don't know if they fixed it properly.
Career track 404, are you up on this frequency?
November 46 Victor, maintain 5,500.
5,500, 46 Victor.
November 46 Victor, contact Las Vegas approach 119.77, 1977.
119.77, 46 Victor, good day. Las Vegas approach, Mooney 9246 Victor, 5,500.
Mooney 9246 Victor, Las Vegas approach, altimeter 29907, save requested altitude.
29907, I would like to go up to 9,500 if possible.
November 46 Victor, roger, fly present heading, climb and maintain 6,000.
Present heading 6,000, 46 Victor. Die ganzen Großjets kommen jetzt da drüben ran.
Southwest 2764, proceed direct Shan to intercept the localizer, descend and maintain 8,000.
Direct Shan to intercept the localizer, down to 8,000, Southwest 2764.
Delta 2915, proceed direct Prino, intercept the localizer.
Direct Prino, intercept the localizer, Delta 2915.
November 46 Victor, climb and maintain 7,000.
Maintain 7,000, 46 Victor.
Southwest 2764, reduce speed at 210, contact approach 135.0.
35.0, slowing to 210, Southwest 2764.
Delta 2915, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend maintain 8,000, Delta 2915.
Frontier 3231, reduce speed to 210, then descend and maintain 9,000.
210, then descend and maintain 9,000, Frontier flight 3231.
Delta 2915, contact approach 135.0, good day.
1350, Delta 2915, good day.
Approach Southwest 1526. We're with you out of 11-6, descending via, we got Sierra.
Southwest 1526 approach, expect 26 left.
26 left. Oh.
Frontier 28, correction, Frontier 3231, proceed direct Prino, intercept the localizer, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend maintain 8,000, direct Prino to intercept the localizer, Frontier Flight 3231.
Southwest 1526, turn left heading 190 for spacing, expect Prino.
Alright, left turn 190, Southwest 1526.
November 46 Victor, what's your on-course heading to your destination?
Stand by, 46 Victor. And Vegas approach, 46 Victor. We're going to do a 106 to the PGS VOR, and then a 088 to 0 Echo 0. 46 Victor.
November 46 Victor, resume on navigation, maintain 7,000.
Resume on navigation, maintain 7,000. 46 Victor.
46 Victor, there's a Frontier Airbus at your 12 o'clock, 7 miles southwestbound, leaving 10,000 for 8,000.
Top of the site, 46 Victor.
46 Victor, about 6-inch trail of the Frontier is going to be a Southwest 73, level at 9,000. We'll be down to 8.
Looking for the traffic, 46 Victor.
Frontier 3231, there's traffic at your 1 o'clock, 7 miles southeastbound, Mooney, level 7,000.
Frontier 3231, we're looking.
Southwest 1526, proceed direct Prino, intercept the localizer, descend and maintain 8,000.
Direct Prino, intercept the localizer down to 8,000, Southwest 1526.
And Vegas approach, 46 Victor. We do have that Frontier jet in sight.
Roger. Southwest 1526, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles southeastbound, level 7,000, Mooney.
Search. That's no one.
Yep.
Last Bravo.